roads are pretty damp, so I don't want to take it. I don't want to get too crazy out here, but definitely gonna enjoy the run while there's no traffic in front of me. Oh, she's squealing. That ends our run. I'm not gonna lie, that was great. Yeah, wow. Haven't done that in this car in a long time. Very rarely too. It's happened a few times in the Integra, back in my younger days, but not so much in this. So that was nice. I feel like I'm finally getting used to the pedal spacing, and a lot easier to heel toe in it now that I'm accustomed to that layout. All in all, what a great car, but there is no denying I would love to bring the Integra up here. Yeah, this thing has straight line speed, but when it comes to the comes to the corners, the Integra with its Honda Odyssey big brake kit, yeah, it just knows how to handle it. 40k an hour in an 80 zone, how fun. Oh, the subtle backfire on this car, oh my god. It's so good. You know what? When I get home, I'm gonna ride my motorcycle, because I miss my motorbicycle. I love this car though. I love all my cars. I love all my cars and motorcycles. I'm so lucky that I get to enjoy the privilege of owning and driving these three vehicles. Oh, CBR. Sitting behind a tow truck 20 to 40k under the speed limits really gives you time to reflect on your life, huh? What did I think of today's cruise? Yeah, look, there is no denying, as the years have gone by and I've gotten a bit older, cruises not really so much my thing anymore, unless it's with a select group of closer people that I know. Yeah, these big ones, they're just, it's great to meet new people, but it's a mixed bag. You don't know how they're gonna drive in the convoy, and as soon as you're in a modified car with a loud exhaust, sitting in the middle of them, you know, everyone kind of represents each other, and yeah, all it takes is one bad apple. So I'm wary of that. I didn't really care about that too much when I was fresh off my learners and on my red and green Ps. Especially now, the stakes feel a lot higher, given that, you know, this car has a lot more power than the old Honda Integra. Yeah, I don't know, it's a shame. Don't know how good the footage I got was, but as you saw at the end there was an accident, and I'm pretty sure it involved one of the organizers' cars, so it really is a shame. But I just didn't want to get up there and confront them with an action cam shoved into their faces right after that probably traumatic incident. Ooh, Aston, very nice. Please. I'm kind of itching to get ahead, but visibility not so good. Can't see more than 40 meters ahead, which quite frankly isn't enough for a safe overtake. Yeah, boys. Got plenty of vision before the next corner, straight open road. Not too bad of a place to do an overtake, especially considering he was doing 40 or under. Loves a bit of Pink Panthers. Really nice to take the Galant out for a good cruise, stretch its legs, remind myself what it's capable of and why I love this thing. I fell in love with it for how it looks, and I remain in love with it for how it performs. It's a beautiful car. And you know what? Today I feel like it got bit of the attention that it actually deserves. I pulled up to a gas station and some guy instantly complimented the VR-4. He knew what it was, knew they were only released in Japan, and yeah, that was sick. And then came to the meet, and a couple of the people who knew they were interested and they were taking photos, it just warms my heart. It's like, it's not just me and you guys who are watching this that know about the mighty VR-4. There are some others out there, and that's really cool.
say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.